How to push code to GitHub. So first, log in GitHub and create a new repository. Test 1. And the description, choose visibility, I choose public, and create a repository. And create a folder, Git repo. Okay. And open terminal, open code. Okay, and create a file 1.txt and 123. Okay. Okay, and another file 2.txt. Okay, 456. Save, close, and open terminal. Okay, git init, initialized Git repository, and copy this remote origin, git remote add origin, this. Okay, and git add dot git commit -m init git push, and copy this command, copy and paste, and push to main. So okay, and then we refresh this repository, and we should have 2 files here. Okay, 1 and 2. So next we update the code. So I delete one. I delete this file. Okay, and then this file will go 789. Save, close. Okay, and we add a new file 3.txt. We give this 369. Save, close. Okay, and go terminal git add dot git commit -m new change git push. Okay, and then we go back to repository. Okay, we delete the 1.txt, and we have 2.txt and 3.txt. And the back terminal, if we change something here, save, close, this git will show the change here. Okay. And also delete file, it will also change, show the changes here. Okay. And how to clone a repository? Just use git clone. I create a new folder, git 3. Okay. Open terminal, git clone. Copy this address, paste, go. rs cd test 1 rs. Okay. 3 file 1 to 3, and 3 branch, main b2 b3. Okay, and we change this file to, so git fetch origin. Git branch. So we have many branches here, b2, b3, main, and this branch and this branch. So but the GitHub only have 3 branches, main, b2, and b3. Okay, so we use this command, -d branch 1 delete. Git branch. Okay, branch 2, branch 3, branch X, new branch. Okay, git branch. Okay, 3 branch. Now we are in B3. Okay. 3 file 1 to 3, and 3 branch, main B2 B3. Okay, git checkout B2. Sorry, B2 git pull. So we are in B2 branch. B2. Okay, we change this. We add this line B2 in this file. Save, close. We have a new change. And we need to go to another branch, B3, to do something in B3. So we use this command, stash, git stash. So we stash the change in branch. Check out git checkout B3. Okay, origin B3. So we make some change here, B3, save, close. Okay. B3, git push. So we push to B3 and git checkout B2. So we back to B2 and git stash pop. Okay, so we get back the change. So we can continue to change B2, this branch, in this branch. We stash and go B3 to finish working B3 and go back to B2 and get back the stash. So this is the stash. This repository, only one file. And we push it to GitHub already. Okay, only one file and only one branch. Back. We create a new branch, git branch, new branch. So we create a new branch in local. So git checkout, new branch. We switch to this new branch. And this new branch from main is same as the main branch, but we created locally. In GitHub, we refresh. We do not have branch in GitHub. Okay. We just create a new branch locally. Okay. So for this branch, I make some change. We create a new file, 2.txt. Okay, 2. Okay, save, close. We create a new file, make a change, and then we git add dot git commit to and git push. Cannot push because we do not have origin in new branch in GitHub. So GitHub give me use this command. Okay. So git push set upstream origin new branch. So we use this and push. Okay, so we push new branch to origin new branch and we refresh GitHub. We got a new branch here. And the new branch is one change ahead the main. And next we merge this change. So we go pull and we click new pull request. And here choose new branch. And then we can merge new branch change to main. Okay. And create. So it will wait for the confirm. Okay. So I refresh this and I confirm by myself. Merge, confirm. Okay, and we go code. Now in main we have two files. That's it. And view our branch. New branch and main, and this ahead is 0, behind is 1 because we just give a merge here. So then we can delete this branch and refresh. So we only have main. So here we git checkout main. Use git pull. Okay, git pull. Okay, git pull. And we pull the file. We should see two files here. Yes. Now we are in main and two files. Okay, and if we create a new branch in GitHub, so we refresh this, we can see only one branch, and we create a new branch. Okay, branch X source main, create a new branch. So we have a new branch X. So git fetch origin. We can fetch the origin to get all branches. Okay, we got a new branch X. Okay, git checkout. switch to a new branch. Okay, and if we make some change, okay, git 3.txt 333 save close. Okay, git add dot git dash m 3 git push. It will push to branch X. Yes, no need set origin, no need set upstream. Just push, and this will just push because in origin we already got this branch and we link this branch here. Okay, so we refresh, we can see branch X is one ahead of main. Okay, we pull request new, choose branch X and merge. Waiting, okay, and click here again and refresh. Merge, confirm. Okay, and go code. Main have 3 files, that's it. And branch X, we can delete this branch X, view all branch, and delete. Okay. Okay, and here git checkout main, but only here 2 files we need to pull to get up to date. Okay, git pull now. Git checkout main, really? Git checkout main. Use git pull to update. Okay, git pull. Okay, we should get the 3rd file. Okay. One, two, three. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And GitHub 1, 2, 3. Only one branch. So I create a new branch. B2. Create a new branch from main. It's the same with main. Okay. Another new branch B3 source main. Okay. 2 branch B2, B3 all from main. Okay. Here, git fetch origin. Okay, B2, B3. Okay, git checkout B2. Now in B2. Okay, and so go this file 1, 2, 3. Okay, B2. Okay, git add dot git commit dash m B2 git push. So it will push to B2. Okay. Test 1. Okay, this is main and B2. This have changed. Okay, and pull request new and B2 to main. Create. Okay. Refresh. B2. Merge. Confirm. Okay, it's done. Back to code, and in main we have this B2 here in this file. So git checkout B3. B3. Okay, git checkout B3. This should be 1, 2, 3. Yes. And here change to B3. Save close. Okay, git add dot git commit dash m B3 git push. So it will push to B3 branch. Okay, GitHub. Refresh. B3 branch. Okay, it have B3. Okay, and pull request. New. We'll use B3. Merge to main cannot automatically merge. Yes, that's it. It's a merge conflict. Create a pull request. Cannot auto. Don't worry, you can still create a pull request. Okay, great. Okay, checking merge automatically. This should have a conflict. B3. Resolve conflict. This branch have conflict that must be resolved. Yes, that's it. Okay, resolve conflict. And the B3 current change is B3. Incoming change. B2 is main. Now B3 is this. But the B3 from the original main, and this is already changed the B2 to main. So accept both change, accept incoming change, accept the current change. If I click accept the current change, okay, it's B3, mark as resolved. Okay, resolve conflict. Accept incoming change is B2, okay, mark as resolved. If I click accept both change, B2, B3, mark as resolved, okay. So resolve conflict, I choose accept the current change, B3, mark as resolved. Commit merge. Checking. Okay, B3 is a merge conflict, merge, confirm. Okay, and code. Main should be B3. That's it. 3 file 1, 2, 3, and 3 branch. Main B2, B3. Okay. We'll make another change. B2, B2. Okay. Save. Okay. And git add dot git commit B2, B2. Git push. Again, 2B, 2B2, save, and push again, git B2, git push. So in this branch, we have many changes. We check log, git log. So this is the, okay, B2, 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 B2. So if we want to change to this, we change back to this version, and we use git reset Q. Yeah. Okay, and git reset to this, and unstage the change after reset. This line, okay. So if we git reset, we can still get the change here. Okay, for this line. Okay, but if we git reset --hard go, it will change back to this version, but no have this change, not stays this change.